If you are wondering what it costs to clean up or encapsulate your crawl space, here is a straight answer for Connecticut, Westchester County, and Western Massachusetts. No sales pitch, just the real ranges and what moves the price. Crawl space work in our area typically runs $1,500 to $10,000 or more. A basic cleanup of debris and light moisture runs $500 to $2,000. A vapor barrier install runs $2,500 to $5,000. And a full encapsulation with a dehumidifier runs $5,000 to $15,000, depending on the size and the moisture. 5 things move that number. 1. The size. It is priced largely by the square footage of the floor and the walls we seal. 2. The moisture level. A wet crawl space needs the water source fixed and usually a dehumidifier, not just a barrier laid down. 3. The barrier system. A thin liner is cheaper than a sealed 12 to 20 mil reinforced encapsulation that wraps the piers and the walls. 4. Mold or rodents. Existing mold or rodent contamination is a remediation before any encapsulation, with HEPA cleaning and disposal. 5. Access. A low, tight crawl space is slower to work than a tall one with a good hatch. On insurance. Encapsulation is a home improvement, so it is generally not covered by homeowners insurance. But cleanup after a sudden covered water event may be covered as part of that loss. And in Connecticut, the dehumidifier and the insulation may qualify for Energize CT rebates, which we can point you to. Can you do it yourself? You can lay a basic vapor barrier in a dry, clean crawl space. But a real encapsulation seals the walls and the piers, manages the humidity with a dehumidifier, and fixes any mold or water source first. Lay a barrier over a wet floor, and you trap the moisture and accelerate the rot. So that is the real cost of crawl space work. Dry it, clean it, seal it, and control the humidity so the framing above it stays sound. Green Restoration is an IICRC-certified firm across Connecticut, Westchester County, New York, and Western Massachusetts. For an exact number for your home, we will inspect it for free and give you a firm written estimate. Our line is open 24/7. 833-800-0474.